Hello everyone, welcome to our last topic under geometric construction. After this, you'll be dealing with lines and planes in space. Okay, so smooth curves. So to draw smooth curves, basically the given looks somewhat a zigzag road, just like this one here. Now there has to be a starting point A, and I'm going to call this vertex as point O. So to draw smooth curves, we have the following steps. Using O as center and radius equal to OA, strike an arc intersecting line OP at point A prime. So point P is just the end or the other end of this line. Okay, so you have A, O, and then you have P here. Okay, so that could be any other point. Then draw perpendicular lines to points A and A prime. The intersection of the two perpendiculars is the center of the arc that we're going to draw later. Label it as point O prime. Using point O prime as center and radius O prime A, we draw the arc. Then repeat the steps on the next angles. Okay, so to demonstrate, we start with using point O as center and radius equal to OA. So this will be my radius. We strike an arc intersecting line OP. This is my line OP at point A. So if I'm going to strike the arc here using this radius, my point A prime is here. Okay, so line OP is the other side of the angle for which we will draw the smooth curve. Then we draw perpendicular lines on points A and A prime. Note that these perpendicular lines must intersect on the concave side of the angle. So it should look like this one. Then third, the intersection of the two perpendicular lines is the center of the arc that smoothens the angle. So basically, the smooth curve for that particular angle. We label the intersection as point O prime. This will be my point O prime. And next, using point O prime as a center, if this is our O prime and this is our radius OA prime or O prime A prime and O prime A, we draw the arc. So that arc should look like this. That will be the smooth curve. So basically, the smooth curve is just the reverse of the arc that we drew earlier. This is just the almost the reverse of this arc. Then we just need to repeat the same steps on the next angle. Our next angle is OPQ, but this time around the starting point is A prime. So that also continues on the next line, and then on the next line, and then on the next line. Okay, and that is all for geometric construction. I really hope that you were able to learn something from this video. Oh, before I end, I'm going to share a link. Okay, so this link is actually a series of videos that were created a few years back. One of my colleagues and his students created videos for ES1. I already asked for his permission so that you can use this and see how the techniques can be done in action. And you just need to click on the link and then look for the specific techniques that you're going to study. Okay, so you can just check them out later. Okay, so thank you for listening and watching.